allowed to refuse service? So I'm gonna tell the owner you're fucking losing money because we want to make a big order of food. Give me the fucking chicken or I'm gonna cause a scene. Get your owner here.
Cause a scene? You're recording.
You're gonna lose money and get fired. We ordered food and you wanna refuse it.
Look at you. You're telling me you're not being rude?
No, we weren't.
Fuck you! Give me my chicken! I came 30 miles to get a fucking chicken!
Fuck your chicken.
Kiss my ass and call your fucking owner, bitch!
Come here.
You like Google reviews?
Come here.
I'll come here right now, motherfucker!
Come on, bro. You a wild ass.
You're getting fired!
Fuck you.
Give me my chicken! I drove 30 miles to get my fucking chicken!
Fucking crazy white people, bro.
Nah, you just brown as fuck. That's why you working in
McDonald's.
McDonald's, bitch, because your IQ doesn't let you do shit except work.
Give me my fucking chicken! I came here to eat! 30 miles!
Nothing but you just being a bad
Give my fucking food!